Hello everyone. Today I'm in the Witzenberg at Prince Alfred Hamlet and I'm talking to my cousin, Anneke Mackenzie. Tell me about your time that you were in the corporate world.
So it's colourful, the story. I spent time mostly in the liquor industry in South Africa, working for the big liquor companies, both in South Africa and in East Africa, in Tanzania. I spent 3 years, which was wonderful, and then back in Paarl and Cape Town with KWV and Distel and the previous brand house.
Right. And then what brought you here?
So about, 5 years ago, it feels like forever, I actually adopted a little boy as a single mom called Malcolm. And we then, I got the opportunity to buy my mom's business when she decided to retire by the ocean. She'd had enough.
Right.
And I decided to give up corporate life and come to the countryside. It's a wonderful opportunity to firstly be an entrepreneur, which is very daunting in the beginning, and now I'm completely in love with it.
Yes.
And also to provide a different type of lifestyle for me and Malcolm. He loves bakery, he spends a lot of time here. So
I'm sure he's a bit of the boss when he's here.
Absolutely, runs the show.
Yeah. Well, it's great chatting to you as usual. We've got lots more to talk about, but let's come look at the bakery.
Absolutely, you're welcome.
Great. Now tell me, how many people do you employ here?
13 people.
13 years. Yeah. And what is your market? Where do you sell these wonderful rusks and biscuits and things that you produce?
Mostly, initially when I started, mostly Western Cape. We've actually since 2 years ago, also started in Gauteng.
Right.
Our biggest outlets are the Spa outlets, but we provide for a lot of independents also.
Right.
And recently online, we've got our own online store, and we also sell through Yakashef online. So anyone can really access if they're not in Western Cape or Gauteng.
Right. And where are you taking this business?
Well, hopefully this will be available in every kitchen in South Africa soon. We're getting there, slowly but surely.
Fantastic.
Yes. The staff has been such an integral part of the business. When I started, I knew very little about baking, about anything that happens in there. Without my team, I couldn't have done it. So for me, it's really important going forward to empower them even more. I rely on them and I want them to feel that validation and grow in their roles.
Do they feel as though they're part of the business?
I think so. A while ago, we actually did a little survey and I said, what are their dreams and their aspirations and what do they enjoy about Mama Max? And it really came out that they see this as an extension of their family, and I feel the same way. So this is a Mama Max family, and I never want to lose that.